How do you recommend coding deposition transcripts in LidSuite so that key liability and damages testimony can be easily pulled for mediation motions and trial?
You use TranscriptPad. This is Samantha Jackal. This is a deposition that I took December of 2024. You can see that I've synced the video with it. So this is very powerful. And again, you can go through and read this deposition, and then you can issue code questions and answers. So uh, you can see on the side. So I have different issue codes, Gary's children, inspection time. And then I also do them per witness, right? And then you can run reports of this deposition that identify each of those different issue codes, and you can create whatever issue code you want. Um, you can also select the portion of the testimony, and you can choose to play it. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this. You can mark certain areas. So for example, like I've got a pre-marked video clip, this We Are Good video clip.
Mhm.
You so say and you just start pre-marking clips that you can use to impeach witnesses or live if you're in trial and you're like, wait a minute, they testified that the color was orange, not that it was green. And then you find the orange, you can tap on the lines that you want to play to the jury, and assuming you have the video synced, which is super easy to do. By the way, you don't have to pay to get videos synced. You don't have to pay extra. Just get an MP4 and load it into trial and into TranscriptPad, and it automatically syncs it for you. It's magic. It's amazing. Um, so within TranscriptPad, then again, you can just mark and issue code the different issues in the case, and you can also create different clips within the case.